So the materials you will need for the air blaster are a water bottle of any brand, a balloon, and some scissors. First step is to grab your water bottle and use scissors or a knife with the assistance of an adult to remove the bottom of your water bottle. Cutting off the bottom of your water bottle, you will need to cut off the long end of your balloon. You will need to stretch this out and put it at the bottom of your water bottle. This will create suction and pressure, so when you pull back, it shoots air. Once you have placed the balloon on the bottom of the water bottle, you can now pull, which will create suction and release, shooting out air. Okay. Thank you for watching. Enjoy building your own STEM kits at home.